Anong castle to?
Conway
Conway.
Castle. Kalapit ka na sa site.
Yan na. Ano to? Aktibo pa kaya ito? O...
Ganda ng view eh.
Nandito pa kaya mga warriors?
Tayo yung parating na. Ay, ang ganda.
Para siyang sa yung...
Saan tayo? Sakto lang bus, oh. Sakto lang ang bus, oh.
May bus, oh. Sightseeing.
Isa lang ang kasya kaya nakapila.
Talagang one at a time lang.
Kapila.
Spot na spot.
Diretso na tayo.
Right.
Ra-right naman dyan na tayo.
Ito.
Malawak pala itong castle na to. Kaya ano,
Sundan na lang.
sundan mo yung brohan yung sites.
Sundan na lang namin.
Pakalan mo yun.
Saktuhan lang yung bus, oh.
Basahan lang.
Sukat na lang.
Oo. Kaya walang o-overtake sa inyo.
Sa area na itong
So, welcome again sa aking YouTube channel, Ship Tour. So, nandito pa rin kami sa North Wales. So, after ng landod no yesterday, ngayon nandito naman sa kami sa Conway. So, dito pa rin sa North Wales. So, ito yung parking dito ng mga yacht, oh. Yung mga yacht. So, low tide pa rin. Garami yung mga yate nila. So, ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung tinatawag dito na smallest house. Kumbaga, little house. Ito yun. Yan. Little house. So, ayan guys. Oh. Smallest house. So, tingnan natin kung gaano pa talaga kalaki ito. Ito nga. Oh. Talagang
150 ang entrance.
pwede ka palang pumasok sa loob. So, may entrance. So, 150 adult, 1 pound for children. Si Lola. Yeah. So the smallest house in Great Britain. Baka tinawag naman na smallest house kasi yung entrance lang.
That's the Guinness World Record.
Is it? Oh.
Yung nga smallest
Pasok mo sa loob.
Oh.
Abang ko kung may kwarto is small.
So nasa Book of Guinness pala ito. Oh, coming inside.
Kayo muna. Anta mag-fashion.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
So ito lang ito. Ayan. So, ito lang ang loob nitong little house na to. Ayan. Tapos may, yan lang. Tapos aakyat tayo sa maliit na hagdan. There you go.
All over the country making small houses. True, and this was the smallest. It was then open to the public.
Hindi na nakadiretso kasi yung maliit lang. Oh, oh hindi ka nakadiretso?
Go out and see how compact everything
Okay.
is. Seat to the
Small.
centre against the wall lifts up,
Ikaw ba?
and the coal is kept underneath. Heat was done on the fire, and the water tap is behind the stairs.
Where's the toilet?
When the house was lived in, there were no railings upstairs. The trapdoor was lowered to make a complete floor in the bedroom. We hope you have enjoyed your visit
Yung plancha.
Please mind your head
That's the
when
same.
you are leaving.
Iron's
Oh, iron, no? Antigo, tapos yung kettle.
This house was built in the 16th century and lived in until 1900.
16th century.
The last inhabitant was a fisherman who was 6 feet 3 inches tall. And before that, an elderly couple lived here.
I just wanted her in the doorway.
In 1900, the house was condemned for human habitation. And the man who owned it went all over the country, measuring small houses
Yan, ako
to
naman
prove
aakyat.
this was the smallest.
Oh, one at a time lang
It was
kasi
then
napakaliit
opened
lang
to
ng
the
hagdan.
public and has gained
Parang
a
kasing
place
height ko
in
lang,
the Guinness Book of
hagdan.
Records. Looking around, one can see how compact everything is. The seat of the settle against the wall lifts up, and the coal was kept underneath.
Oh, ayun.
The cooking was done on the fire, and the water tap is behind the
Ayun.
stairs. When
Tapos
the house
ito,
was lived in,
may bed
there
lang
were no
maliit.
railings upstairs, and the
Tapos may
trap
mirror.
was lowered to make a complete floor in the bedroom. We hope you have enjoyed your visit. Please mind your head when you are leaving.
Napakalit. Hindi ka makakilos.
This house was built in the 16th century and lived in until 1900.
Look at that. 1890.
The last inhabitant was a fisherman who was 6 feet 3 inches tall. And before that, an elderly couple lived here. In 1900, the house was condemned for human habitation.
Okay, let's go.
The man who owned it went all over the country.
Okay, let's go.
Small houses.
Let's go. Diba sabihin, para video ang kayo ba?
The whole was kept under.
Yeah, lalabas na.
Enjoyed it.
Oo.
Is it alright to take a picture with you? Yeah, of course. Daddy.
By the door, right front the window. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop.
You want me to take a picture of the two? My granddaughter. I'll find it. Oh, sorry.
So napakaganda ng araw ngayon. Talagang tirik na tirik yung araw. Ah. Ito pinakamaliit na bahay dito sa Briton. Talagang one and a half meter lang yung lapad. Siguro 2 meters yung pahaba.
Ball. O hanggang saan yung mga gera nila boundary.
So malawak itong wall dito ng castle. Ito yung gwardiya dito sa sa castle. Oh. Ito na lang the last standing. The last standing knights. So ito yung castle dito sa Conway. Conway Castle. Ito yung pa yung mga gamit ng knights dito ng panahon.
Ewan ko, sabi ko pala sa'yo, pag may time.
So yan, maraming pumapasok doon sa Conway Castle. So kami, dito lang kami sa labas. At may pupuntahan pa kami. Oh, maganda itong lugar dito sa Conway.